Hi, my name is Aries Camitan, and this is my submission for week 006 laboratory exercise 004. So for this step, I was asked to connect 3 PC and one hub together and it will be a serve as LAN 1. Then I need to configure the IP address from PC1 to PC3 with this given address, then connect them to the hub. Then I need to create a router with the model 1841. It will act as a router A for LAN A. Edit my component, click the route on the router. So I need to do similar to this. Okay, let's move on to the Cisco packet tracer. So now I need to create a hub, then a 3PC. So and then I need to give the internet address 68.1.1. I copy that, so easy for me to put the IP address on other PC as well. Oops, that's the wrong one. So this is IP3. Alright, so the IP are configured. Alright, they are all connected. Then I need to create a router 1841. So I need to create a serial port first. Okay. Then to configure the 0 to start the configuration, change the display name to Cisco 1. Okay, so I copy this host name for this underscore Cisco underscore 1. Okay, so I need to put this address to the router. Then I need to put the port status to on to enable it. Okay, so let's go back to our configuration settings. So I need to display and hostname. This one is underscore 1. Pass Ethernet to turn it on. When I do that 168.1, I close it. Then for the next task, I need to copy it and name as okay. So I need to drag the new design identification. Then I need to connect them through serial port using this connection. Okay, so my diagram should be look like this. So let's copy in here. So underscore 1. Okay. Alright, so everything is copied. Now I need to make my connection. Serial. Okay. Then I need to connect this one. Alright, so now my diagram is similar to the document. So the green is successfully connected and there should be two green lights blinking. One is located output of Cisco 1, Oh, okay. So this one should have blinking with green. So let's see what's the problem. Okay, if I turn that one as on, there's no blinking. Oh, all right, now it's blinking. All right, so since okay, I think I successfully configured it since the output of Cisco 1 and then the input of copy of Cisco underscore 1 is already blinking. So I think I done it properly. So to be answered with the video, what is the importance of routing? The importance of routing is will be served as like a gateway for your two different network, maybe from LAN A to LAN B. Like in this diagram, this is LAN A, and this can be your LAN B. So this router is serve as a bridge between these two network. So they're very important for them to communicate with each other. Why do we need a router? Why not use switch or hub? Okay, so the purpose of a router rather than choosing a hub or a switch, because router he has called like a table, a routing table, in which he automatically uh, uh, populated in his configuration. So based on the IP addresses and the network, he can provide a connection between devices automatically, and you don't need to worry about the configuration. Unlike the hub, so hub is just connecting your local LAN, but if you have a different connection or different IP address, so hub cannot help you with that even with switch. So hub or and switch, if you want to connect through different subnet or network devices or network range, you need a router. So number three, what is important that each PC has different IP address? What will happen if you use the same IP address? So if we use the same IP address, there will be a conflict in the network because there's two PC or and devices having the same IP address. So the tendency, if you send the data to another with the to the given address, so the network will be confused to which address you need to send the data. So it's very important to have a unique IP address in the network. Number four, what can you conclude from this activity? So from this activity, what I can conclude is how to set up network, assign IP address and subnet IP, and also configure a router in this uh, as what I did in this exercise. That's all. Thank you for viewing.